just doing something different with beautiful flowers from the Dianthus family. I selected all kinds of different varieties out of that family. So I have like the Sweet Williams, I have the carnations, I have spray carnations, I have like this flower without flowers. And what I do is like a little bit out of the normal. So I take like these little bowls and I start like with this one where I use a flower, which is like a filler. I just lay it here on top of my bowl. This one doesn't need water because it's also a dryable flower, so I can just lay it like this. Then I take the grass, this is called lily grass. I just drape it over. And you might think like, this is going to be very strange, this is going to be a mess. No, it will not be, because now I take this bowl on top and I just push it like this. So this is actually my extra decoration for the two bowls. So this is the start of my arrangement. And then I start using these green Dianthus and I just lay them here in the water. So with that, I only use 4. And then I start like building up with the carnations. And the carnations, I make them short. So I start with the darker colors at the bottom, and then I go on with the lighter colors more upwards. And so this is like another color again, but can you see how many colors there are available in this family? It's incredible. And they're so long lasting too. So if you make this for several weeks, you can enjoy this arrangement. And the nice part of this is that it's all in the same color tones. But you see, and then here some of those. Beautiful how they are, like with the edges like light and deep dark, deep down inside it's like this burgundy red. Beautiful, phenomenal this. Now these mini carnations, and those I let them stick out a little bit of the other ones, so they pop out. And then, last but not least, I do have these. This is a new breed. It's like a crossbreed between the Sweet William and the spray carnations as we know them. And this, when you finish this is wonderful to have like on your dining table, but also like in the living room, on a coffee table. It's also beautiful. And again, very long lasting. And above all, so in trend. It's so in trend. Carnations are absolutely the must-have flower of this period. So look at this. So when you make this at home and you get visitors over, they will be amazed what you have on the table. And you can proudly say, I made it myself.